This video will explain the steps for cleaning commercial condenser coils. A condenser coil is directly responsible for transferring heat from the inside of the building to the outside of the building, done through the process of fan-forced convection. Contaminants that clog the condenser fins will lead to a buildup of heat in the system. When the coils are dirty, the compressor will run longer and work harder, shortening the life of the compressor. As a result, condenser coils need to be inspected and cleaned on a regular basis. Dirty condenser coils cause the unit to consume more energy. The U.S. Department of Energy states that a dirty condenser coil can increase compressor energy consumption by up to 30%. Cleaning coils will improve the unit's operating efficiency and lower energy costs while extending the life of the equipment. The tools necessary for cleaning condenser coils include a stiff nylon brush, a cordless drill, screwdrivers, and a magnetized pan for holding screws. A wand-style spray nozzle, BBJ Power Coil Cleaner. A camera for taking before and after pictures. The safety items needed when cleaning condenser coils include goggles or safety glasses, gloves, and lockout-tagout equipment. For commercial work, you will need the same equipment used on a residential job, along with a 6-foot A-frame and extension ladder, and a bucket and rope to assist in lifting supplies onto the roof. The only chemical needed for cleaning condenser coils is BBJ Power Coil Cleaner. Be sure to follow the coil cleaner procedures, including proper dilution and dwell time. Technicians must wear safety glasses and gloves when working with chemicals. Before starting the cleaning process, shut down the power to the unit and follow the proper lockout-tagout procedures. Place the toggle switch in the off position or remove the pull-out disconnect, and secure the lockout-tagout device. Commercial units often have condenser coil covers. Carefully remove these covers to gain access to the coils. Take before photos of the coils. Hold the camera close to and perpendicular to the coils, and make sure the photo is in focus. Be sure to label the photos, including the project name and the unit number or name. Any gross contaminant on the condenser fins should be removed by brushing the coils with a stiff nylon brush. Start at the top of the coil and gently pull the brush downward. Complete this process on all coil surfaces. To remove the condenser fan motor, start by removing all the screws holding the fan motor in place. Gently remove the fan motor, taking care not to pull the wires or to damage the fan blades. Never lift the motor by the fan blades, as this will put the fan out of balance. For cleaning purposes, it is important to know the direction the air travels through the coils. Most condenser fans pull the air through the front of the coils and exhaust the air through the top of the unit. This is commonly called a pull-through system. Some systems pull the air from behind or from the sides of the unit, commonly known as push-through systems. Pre-wet the coils using a low-pressure spray. This removes some dust and allows the coil cleaning to adhere to the coils. Liberally apply the BBJ Power Coil Cleaner. Starting from the bottom and working to the top, apply the chemical to all coil surfaces. The coil cleaner must be applied to both interior and exterior coils. Allow the coil cleaner to dwell on the coils for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Coil cleaner works best when the proper contact time is allowed. Rinse the coils in the opposite direction of the airflow. Hold the spray nozzle perpendicular or 90 degrees to the coils. Spraying coils on an angle will not allow the water to pass through the coils and may damage the coil fins. Starting from the top and working to the bottom, hold the nozzle about 6 inches from the coil, being careful not to touch the fins. Be sure to rinse the coils thoroughly to remove all the contaminants and coil cleaner. For proper cleaning, water must pass through the coils. Adjust the water pressure to achieve enough force to allow the water to pass completely through the coils. Visually inspect the coils to verify that all contaminants have been removed. The cleanliness level of the interior coils must also be inspected. Once the coils have been properly cleaned, fins can be straightened using a properly sized fin comb. Working from the top to the bottom, straighten the fins by pulling the fin comb through the damaged areas of the coil. Now you can reinstall the fan motor. Gently set the fan housing in place, taking care not to pull the electrical wires or to bend the fan blades. Once in place, secure the fan housing by screwing the cover to the unit. Before restoring power to the unit, make sure that the fan blades spin freely and do not rub the unit or fan cover. Reattach the condenser covers, taking care not to damage the coil fins. And remember to take after pictures for each unit. Remove the lockout tagout equipment and restore power to the unit. Rinse the area around the unit. Remove any trash or debris from the worksite. When the last unit has been cleaned, be sure to collect all of your tools and supplies. Take one last look to make sure each unit is powered up and in good condition.